Montreal had a lot of intense rain yesterday when the leftovers of Tropical Storm Debby passed through, causing big floods all over the city. Laval got hit hard, especially the parking lot at the Holiday Inn, which turned into a mini lake with cars underwater and guests stuck.
Écoute, j'ai jamais vu ça.
The rain broke records, said the meteorologists, overwhelming drains and making water levels shoot up fast. Water in the Holiday Inn's parking lot in Laval got really high, several feet even, and guests couldn't believe their eyes as their cars got swallowed up by the floods.
Je pense même qu'il y a quelqu'un.
The wild weather also created chaos at Montreal Pierre-Elliott Trudeau Airport. Flights got delayed or canceled because of heavy rain and power problems. Travelers had to wait a long time, getting more and more frustrated as the airport struggled to handle all the stuck passengers. The heavy rain led to roads closing all over Montreal, with big roads blocked off because of flooding. People couldn't get around, stuck in traffic jams, and many had to stay home as things got worse. Officials said to avoid traveling unless it was really necessary, but for some, it was too late. The storm didn't spare homes and shops in Montreal either. Basements flooded, wrecking stuff and buildings. In some areas, the flooding was so bad that electricity systems got messed up, causing widespread power cuts. People are worried about how Montreal handles crazy weather like this. The flooding from Tropical Storm Debby made them think about past storms that did big damage, raising questions about the city's readiness for such events. Montreal has seen tough times before and will surely handle this one too, but the memories of Tropical Storm Debby will stick around for a while.